Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my sister, she's come round and we're going to do a nice fresh set on her nails. So I've done all the prep work on her natural nails. I dehydrated first, sorry, I always say primed first. I dehydrated, then primed twice, and now applied my tips, These are CJP's tips. And then I'm going in with my clear layer. I'm actually using not crystal glass here. I'm using negligee. I just thought I'm going to use negligee. Don't know why. But anyway, so I'm just doing a little thin layer of that just so we've got that to far back to when she comes in for a redesign. So here on a ring finger, I'm just creating a extended nail bed. I'm using CJP's Cherry Blossom, and I'm just I want a nice deep smile line. I keep trying to do deep ones. The deeper, the better, I say. So yeah, I'm just going to do 2 beads to create this. Make sure that my wall is nice and high so we can bring our colour right up to there. And then on the baby finger, I'm going to do like an ombre sort of thing. So I'm just going to use a peach sorbet on the nail bed and just blend that down the tip. So then here I'm using Have a Grape Day, but I kind of mixed white with it because I wanted it a little bit lighter and it kind of just went really marbly, but you can get rid of that if you just keep blending it and patting it. But yeah, it went really, really marbly. But anyway, so I'm just doing that and fading it down the nail, and then I pick up some like little different colour circles. I've had them in my collection for so long. I'm pretty sure I just got them off Amazon or eBay, so I couldn't tell you. I have no links for it or no name for it. It was just so long ago. Sorry, I forgot to mention Have a Grape Day is from Glam Glitz, obviously. And then here I'm just doing a full now of Magenta, and that is from CJP. So then onto the pointer finger, I'm doing a marble now, and look, there's that. I didn't really need to pick up white because it's already white. No, I did, because once you do blend the purple together, it does get rid of the white. I've seen it happen before, and you're meant to roll it on the nail, but I just thought it was because I added the extra white into it that it was doing it even more, because I've never usually had a problem with that. But anyway, so yeah, I'm using the Magenta, Have a Grape Day, and Snow White, and I'm just blending them all together. I kind of should have used a more like a size 12 brush, but it's got more of a point to it, but hey, I'll still use my big boy brush, but I'll remember that next time. So then just over that, on whenever I do a marble, I always think glitter looks, it just adds to it. So I'm just using Reflex, and I'm using the smaller cuts and just randomly putting it over the nail wherever I thought it looked nice. Really sorry, it was only halfway through that I realised that I didn't actually press record on this, so I just did a really thin layer of Have a Grape Day, and then I'm picking up Magenta, just a really small wet bead, and just doing like little strikes anywhere I thought looked nice over the nail. So then onto the ring finger, I obviously filed that smile line nice and crisp, and now I'm going in with that purple, and then I'm going purple at one side and pink up the other side, and then where the two colours meet, I'm just adding Reflex. So now I'm going to go in and cap all the nails in crystal glass. On the pointer finger you see me do it about 3 times, but whenever I do a marble nail it is just so bumpy and uneven, so I kind of do a really thin layer first, then I kind of cap it like I just normally cap a nail, and then I do a little bit in the middle, just because otherwise it's just so uneven. So then once everything was nice and set, I come in with my hand file and I just perfect the shape, and then once I'm happy I come in with my Efile and I'll just whiz over the top just to debulk, make sure the cuticle area is nice and flush, and make sure everything's nice, smooth and even. I then come in with my buffing block and I'll buff over the nails so they're silky smooth. She'll go and wash her hands, and then we're ready for gel. Oh, actually we're doing crystals, so then we're ready to apply our crystals. So then I'm just applying my crystals however I thought they looked nice. I'm using my crayon as always, my crystal crayon I like to call it. If you haven't seen my video before, you're probably thinking, what is she talking about? But I call it my, because you know you got a crystal katana, I call this my crystal crayon. It just does the job. So once my glue had dried, I then come in with top coat. So I'm using CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss. This is my favourite. I've tried only about 3 or 4 other brands, and this one just is my favourite so far. I just love it. So when you apply your gel around your crystals, don't go over them because you will dull the shine, and nobody wants that. And I always just try and get into those creases. It just kind of seals the crystals in even more. She then cues in the lamp for 60 seconds. I apply cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please do. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.